Down and I gently drop it onto my lash line slightly above the lash line, and then I take the tips of the tweezers and I gently push the lash down into my lash line so it blends in with my natural lashes. So I'm going to show myself doing this for you guys a few different times here up close so you can really see what I'm talking about. So the great thing about this is you could completely
valuable seconds. Okay, so we dip in and we come out. Whether you choose to wipe your glue on the side of your glue ring, that's up to you, or whether you decide to get a ball, again, that is completely up to you and what is comfortable. I prefer to get a ball because I know that my glue is then wet. My technique is slightly different to how I was trained. I do not isolate and then come in. Okay, I am pretty good at isolating because I've practiced a lot. So I come in, grab my lash, dip my glue, come straight in, isolate before placing the lash on. The bad thing about this practice head is these lashes here do not represent normal person. They're really tightly packed together. This is one reason I don't like working on them, because they don't they're nothing like a real person's eyelashes. So when actually
So to start, the main thing is you're going to want to remove all the glue along the band. This just makes your lashes unwearable because it kind of just clumps up on your lash. You can see I have some glitter attached to it. So all I do is take a pair of tweezers and just pull the glue right off. I'm holding the lashes firmly near the base so that I don't mess up the shape of the lash, but this part is really easy to just pull it all off, and I actually enjoy doing this.
Volume mascara, and I'm gonna take the spoon and I'm gonna place it, kind of pull it like really close to my lash root. And the reason we use the spoon is because it's gonna prevent the mascara from touching your lid, and that's, I feel like a lot of girls get scared of, you know, really applying the mascara on, because sometimes, a lot of times, it touches the lid. So because we're like so carefully applying it, you don't really give it the full effect. So that's why the spoon is gonna help.
To begin with, we want to really make sure that we're curling at the root. Now you can see I've got all my eyelashes in there and no eyelid. If it starts to pinch, then just release the eyelash curlers and start again. Now, I always find a bit of a squeeze and pump is a good way to go. So make sure you're using all of the eyelashes at the root, and then curling up in the middle of the lash. Give it a bit more of a squeeze and pump, and then finally at the tips as well, so you've got a nice graduated natural looking curl. You can see the eyelashes a lot more.